Thanks, Fallon. Election Day is 11 days away, and some of the most contested races in Jefferson County are 4 seats on the JCPS school board.
Over the next week and a half, we're previewing each of those races. We've talked to the 13 candidates about staff shortages, test scores, the district's new school choice plan, and other important issues. Tonight, WDRB's Katrina Nickel previews the District 1 race, where incumbent and board president Diane Porter faces 3 challengers.
Well, 4 women will challenge for the district representing the West End and downtown Louisville, all hoping to represent the same district, but sharing different visions on topics like the student assignment plan and school safety. Beginning the 2023-24 school year, the JCPS Board of Education will be the first board to oversee the beginning stages of the new student assignment plan. District 1 falls in the choice zone of the student assignment plan. Schools in this area will get major financial boosts to serve students from low-income households and other benefits. It's a plan incumbent Diane Porter voted in favor of and says she wants to see through.
For District 1, I want to make sure that it has everything that it needs, staffing-wise, facility-wise, and again, that people understand what needs to be done with the plan in order for it to be successful.
Charlie Bell supports West End students having the option to attend schools closer to home, but wants benefits of the choice zone to be expanded over time to promote equality.
We can set the example in District 1, but it can be piloted to create those type of changes in all the neighborhoods.
Amara Brewster fully supports the plan and wants to make sure community organizations work with the district.
We do have a lot of them in West Louisville that I want to see come apart and build with JCPS as far as, helping students academically and with discipline.
Candidate Carol Travis Clark is skeptical of the overall plan.
We have been told when busing came along, we would get better books, better education. Now they're getting ready to eradicate it. Are we really going to get better education and better books? I don't know.
JCPS's new safety plan went into effect this year. Unarmed safety administrators focus on building relationships with students inside every school. And armed school safety officers monitor several schools by car. It's a plan Porter voted to approve in January.
It's very hard to comment on the total plan at this point because we have just started the plan, and you have to have some time to start and to grow in order to get to the success that you want.
Bell is against armed officers and would prefer to change the name of school safety officers, but wants to see security guards in schools.
It has to be somebody that's approachable, someone that the kids will get along with, somebody look more as a protector than an actual officer.
Brewster favors the current plan, but said community partnerships will help address safety.
I want to see the community partnerships because I know what our community can do for these children. It's just that they always get ignored.
Travis Clark is also against armed school resource officers and thinks there are other methods to support safety.
I think we should install some type of metal detectors like they have in the courts and just have some security that's not carrying a gun or badge.
When it comes to closing the achievement gap between black and white students, Porter and Bell both expressed building community relationships to help students. Brewster and Travis Clark said the district must move away from discriminatory practices they say highlight the achievement gap. To learn where all 13 JCPS school board candidates stand on important topics, you can find their answers to our questions on our website at WDRB.com. With photojournalist Jonathan McEmber, Katrina Nickel, WDRB News.
Thanks, Katrina.